It's official, Ramen Nagi has officially landed in Cebu. The wait is over because finally nanajud ang Ramen Nagi diri sa Cebu and they are located sa upper ground level SM City Cebu. No need to fly in Manila because finally nanajud sila sa Cebu and this is their first ever branch out sa Visayas and Mindanao. And what I like here sa Ramen Nagi is you can customize everything sa imong ramen from type of noodles to sauces to vegetables and etc. And this is what we tried and ordered diri sa Ramen Nagi, starting with their snack gyoza, not a usual or typical gyoza. It's crispy and I love the sauce in it. Next is their signature karage. It's juicy and flavorful, dipped with their mayo sauce, and it's so good. And highlight of this dining experience is their bestseller ramen. Starting with Butao King, this is so rich and creamy and it's so good. And if you're a spicy lover like me, then you should try Red King. This is a powerful combination of umami and spice. This is so bold, warming, and perfect for spicy lovers. And to quench our thirst, we tried Tico's honey lemon splash flavor. This is good and very refreshing. And for dessert, we tried their strawberry ice cream. It is so smooth and creamy. Perfect na siya after ni mumukaon. We totally enjoyed and nabusog jud mi sa among Ramen Nagi dining experience. It is worth trying and definitely a bucket list if you are craving for ramen. So what are you waiting for? Try Ramen Nagi at SM City Cebu and salamat sa pagtanaw.